Point Necropolis. I'm Marty, this is Jamie, and this is Nancy.
Hello.
And Nancy has another unboxing to do. We have another Distortions Unlimited baby, monster baby.
Monster.
And we'll see what this one is. You don't cut his head off?
No. Well, that'll make it even more gory.
All right, Nance, what do you got in the box?
I am not knowing yet.
You're not knowing?
Oh, it's a little purple guy. A little fin. It's a baby fin. I like him. It's a baby fin.
This is Chewbe.
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah.
Baby Chewbe.
With a cute little butt. And pretty blue ears.
Yeah, he does have really pretty coloring.
Yeah. I bet they look really cool under a black light.
Yeah, his eyes look great.
I don't think he's a baby fin.
It's not a baby
Finny
fin?
though. He's just like a gremlin.
Oh. Well, it's kind of
Chewbe,
got little
yeah.
fins.
Sorta.
It's adorable.
He's cute. He's got a lot of the same colors though.
Yeah. Very cute.
Back into the nursery. Maybe. We're running out of room. We might need a bigger
It'll take
nursery.
a long way around. Oh, he doesn't want to stand out. I mean, sit up.
Yeah, you might have to stuff him.
Butt. There.
In there with your little brothers and sisters.
Darn cute.
All right, we've been East Point Necropolis. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Subscribe.
Good night, everybody.
Good night. Have a great day.